Kids, do you like insects?
Yes!
What insects do you know? Who'd like to answer first?
Ladybugs are insects. They have cool red armor on their backs.
Who's next?
I know dragonflies. They look like airplanes. Zoom!
Anyone else?
I know butterflies. They wear flowery clothes.
Everyone did a great job! Does anyone want to make an insect?
Me! I want to make the coolest ladybug.
No problem. These are the tools and materials needed to make a ladybug. Let's divide them equally.
What does divide equally mean?
Dividing equally means giving the same amount to each person. Kids, can you distribute these items equally among 3 kids? Tap the button to confirm. All done! Great job!
We can make a ladybug! Yay! Let's start by making the round and chubby body of the ladybug. Next, let's make the red shells. Cover the round body with the shells. Finally, stick on big eyes and antenna. My ladybug is done!
Huh? Quacky, the ladybug you made doesn't have spots and legs.
We've run out of cardboard and pens.
Let's help Quacky find the materials to make spots and legs.
Sure!
Where are the materials for the spots and legs?
Huh? What's that sound? It's a squirrel!
What's wrong with you?
2 squirrels took my acorns. Can you help me get them back? No problem. Help the squirrel get the acorns back. I see a squirrel. Another squirrel appeared. Awesome! Let's see where you can run to. We're sorry. We shouldn't have taken your acorns, but we were so hungry.
It's okay. Let's eat these acorns together.
Really? Great! Thank you!
But how should we divide the acorns?
I know! We can divide them equally! Leave it to me! Kids, divide 9 acorns equally among 3 squirrels.
When you're done, tap the check mark to confirm.
Yay! Each squirrel got an equal share of 3 acorns.
Thank you. Take these acorn cups and small twigs as a gift.
Quack! These materials are perfect for making spots and legs on the ladybug. We can go back and continue making the ladybug. Use the acorn cups as spots and distribute them evenly on 2 shells. How pretty! Feels like something is missing. Got it! Let's add a little crown to the ladybug. Ta-da! The ladybug king is born!
So cool.
I want to make a ladybug king too! Practice with Quacky! Basic exercises.
These little red flowers should be equally divided into 3 portions. Who did it correctly? No, it's not right. These apples should be equally divided into 3 portions. Who did it correctly? No. How can we divide 3 apples equally among 3 kids? How can we divide 3 little red flowers equally among 3 kids?
Advanced exercises.
Can you help put 6 daily items equally on 2 shelves? Tap the button. Can you help put 6 snacks equally on 2 shelves? Tap.
Expanded exercises.
How can we divide them so that each shelf has an equal amount of fruit? Tap. Please distribute 8 toys equally on 4 shelves. Tap the...
Do it with Quacky.
The delicious and sweet cakes are here.
They smell so good.
Are the plates all set?
Yes!
Good job. How should we divide the cakes?
I think we should divide them equally so we can all have the same amount of cakes. It's the fairest way.
Good idea.
Let's divide the cakes into 3 plates. Done! Each person can have 2 pieces of cake. Dad, come and have some cake.
Thank you, sweetheart. I'm not hungry. Enjoy them with your mom.
All right, then. Divide the cakes on Dad's plate equally between Mom and me. Now Mom and I can have 3 pieces of cake each. Yummy, yummy!
Kids, you can also divide the food equally and enjoy it with your mom and dad.